I wonder if I can see the my mirror when I put it up in the camera. Hopefully I can't, but I feel like I can. But this is a natural eyebrow tutorial. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just doing my own eyebrows, letting you guys see what I do while I do my brows. And I start, ooh, I didn't even show y'all my freaking pomade. I'm using the e.l.f. regular pomade, because I ran out of my Anastasia, however y'all pronounce it. So I'm rocking with e.l.f. until I go pick up another pot of Anastasia. And then at the beginning, I don't do like other people. I just do, I need to stop putting my hand in front of my mouth. But I just do small hair like brush strokes at the beginning. And then I map it out as I get closer to my pupil. Can you see what I'm doing? Or is my hand in front of it?
I see what you're doing. I don't see your hand in the way.
Okay. Forgot. I had a lot of time.
Taste it. Tastes way better.
It does. I don't know why I thought I brought mine over here. But anyway, this is not a vlog. I don't know what Tom came and brought me some freaking coffee.
You said yours was...
It is strong. I like it. Let me get my hand out the way again. But I don't know, it don't take me that long to do my eyebrows. I'm not here, and when I watch other people do their videos, they say that it takes them a long time to do their brows. But after that, I'm pretty much done. I normally would go through and do a halo, but I put on a little bit of concealer. I use the LA Girl concealer for right now because I ain't got no more fancy. So a girl gotta do what she gotta do. So that's why I did not do a halo, and now I'm not going nowhere. And now I just put this in the camera, but I'm not going nowhere. So, and plus I'm breaking out. So I'm trying to do minimal makeup, and that is lightweight. Other than this is all that I do to my brows. And I do my brows before I do anything else. So normally I would not have on any foundation or anything before I do a video. I just be barefaced and start off with brows versus having anything on my face at all. And then I just brush it out. I do like a very minimum brow. I'm not the best brow person, but I like my brows how I like them. I have had my brows done by like actual makeup artists, but I like my brows like this. I also need to get another freaking eyebrow brush. I like the thinner brush because it lets you get more precise. Because for some reason I like my tail of my freaking yeah, I can talk, of my eyebrows to be very sharp, and I can't do this with this. So I'm gonna have to go to Ulta, Sephora, or something. Let me check on this and redo it one more time.